Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting your frame rate to match the motion you want, 12 for choppy, 24 for smooth. Once done, enable onion skin and set it to 2:4 frames so you can see motion flow. Create a reference layer with rough key poses, don't overwork them. You use keys to define major beats and hold positions. Then lock the reference and create a new layer for in-betweens. This gives you structure and immediate visual feedback as you proceed. You now draw the key poses on separate frames and label timing so you know where the action accelerates or pauses. Then add breakdowns that show the arc and contact points between keys. These guide your spacing. Once breakdowns are set, fill in 1-3 in-betweens depending on speed, making spacing tighter near contact and wider in fast motion. Make sure to toggle onion skin frequently and nudge frames with light opacity to refine flow and keep consistent proportions. You finish by cleaning lines on a separate layer and applying light stabilization or smoothing, 2/6, for jitter reduction. Once cleaned, preview at full FPS and watch for timing hiccups. Make small exposure or spacing tweaks where motion stalls. Export a short clip to verify playback on other devices. If things go wrong, first make sure frames are registered to the same pivot and onion skin settings are consistent. Then revisit key space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.